I still need to say those words and thank you all that you've attended this workshop. And I want to remind you that next year there will be a real Quarks conference in person. Maybe you all want to do it in person. And I want to again thank all the organizer, all the secretary staff, all that works. And I actually have two last things to say. One is that this year, it's mostly for our higher schools of economics guys. This year we open the magister program in NIPT dedicated to computer methods in science. So maybe if you have some students you want to pass somewhere else, or if you want to work together on these things, please contact me. And another thing also, while I was hearing all these talks today, I understood that we need more small talks and small meetings about computer technology in science, and more in detail things, not the just report I've been working in 2 years and let me explain it in 2 minutes, but in detail, like whatever did today and Roland did yesterday. So I propose to do some kind of regular online or offline workshop, IT for science, and I will try to organize that. If you have any ideas, please contact me as well, because we want really to share our experience in scientific community. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you again, everyone, and see you in person maybe on our Quarks conference next year.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.